Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Make sure the controller has power and the console is awake. You'll press the controller's Xbox button to power it on, then check battery level so the sync won't fail mid-process. Next, position yourself within 3-6 feet of the console. Radio pairing is short range. Once done, locate the small pairing button on the controller top near the USB port and on the console's front. You'll use those in the next step to initiate the link. Now you'll initiate pairing. Press the Xbox One X sync button on the console until its indicator blinks. Immediately press and hold the controller pairing button for about 3 seconds. You'll see the controller Xbox button start to blink. This blinking indicates discovery mode. Why it matters is discovery allows the console to identify your controller's signal. Make sure you release after the blink accelerates. The light should stabilize to solid if pairing. Finish by confirming input response. Navigate menus and test buttons and sticks to verify full connectivity. If you prefer, plug a USB-C cable for an instant wired connection that also updates firmware. That's why wired is a reliable fallback. Make sure to check for console controller firmware prompts and accept updates. If pairing fails, power cycle the console, swap batteries, or use the USB cable, then repeat the sync. Persistent issues often resolve after a reset or battery change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.